Welcome to ATech. In this video I will tell you that how you can create your own stickers on WhatsApp. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and select any chat. Then click on emoji button and select stickers. Here you can see create button and you can see two options, use a photo and generate with AI. So today I will tell you about use a photo. So I will select first picture and you can see from this screenshot to this sticker. Then you can send anyone. Then again I will click on create use photo and you can see from screenshot to this sticker. So I will create a few more sticker. From this screenshot to this sticker. Again click on create button, use a photo and you can see within a second this AI tool creates stickers for us. So in this way you can create multiple stickers for your WhatsApp. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.